Hi guys, and welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the course from IGNOU, which is Master of Computer Applications online course. This is an online course and offline also. So if you want to pursue this online course, so you can go through it. So here about the program. So this is the 2 years program in which you learn many things like you will able to solve mathematical, computing, communications, networking, and commercial problems. This master degree program has been designed with semester wise. There are the 4 semesters. In first semesters, you can see here first semester there are the 7 papers. In the second semester there are also 6 semesters. In the third semester 6 papers are here, and in the fourth semester there are 3 papers. So while completing all the courses, if you will able to do these courses, okay, for more information here is the given below the screen, which is written here consulting. So if you need any other guidance related to this, you can contact for more information. We will provide accordingly. So here's number is given, which is 900936823. You can contact us on this number. Now we are discussing eligibility. If you are a BCA, if you have a BCA bachelor degree in computer science, or you have a BSc BCom or BA mathematics plus 10 plus 2, so 10 plus 2 will be a mathematics. If you have a mathematics in the 10 plus 2 level, so you are able to do this course. If you have no mathematics in the 10 plus 2, it means that you are not eligible. And medium of this course is English. Is There is not available Hindi medium. So if you are pursuing this course, so only English medium is available. So here the bridge course is also given. There are the two bridge courses, MCS 201 and MCS 208. So here is written that if you have already completed this bridge courses, so you are required to successfully complete the other remaining bridge courses. If you have not uh, successfully these courses, so you can contact for the other for these courses, and then after other courses. Okay, so these are the main courses. If you and you have to pass this. Now the second one is the duration and the fee structure. So there is a 2 year course and maximum the 4 years. You can complete in the 4 years also. And the fees is the 12,700 per semester. Per semester means approx in 2 times in a year you have to give this amount, and plus 2,000 per course also. So it means that 2,000 for MCS 201 and 2,000 for MCS 208. In this one, MCA exam fees is not included, and it will be decided by the university, which is the extra amount apart from this. And after this, this is fee structure for international students. For SAC students, the fees is 19,000 per semester and 2,000 per course. For non-SAC students, there is 1,300 US dollar per semester and US dollars 100 per course, in which also exam fees is not included. Now here we are discussing program coordinators. So program coordinator can be differ according to your regional center. If you are from the another state, so program coordinator will be different. So from New Delhi, the program coordinator is Professor Devakar Yadav, and if you need more information, you can contact us on our WhatsApp. So we will provide accordingly. Thank you so much.